Trucks are essential to modern life, and the technology driving them is advancing rapidly. In this video, we showcase some of the most impressive truck innovations, from smart gadgets to advanced safety systems. These cutting-edge developments are designed to make driving safer, more efficient, and more intelligent. Join us as we explore groundbreaking technologies that are transforming the trucking industry and shaping the future of transportation. The ExTe Com90 system is an advanced solution designed to improve both safety and efficiency in timber transportation. Its remotely controlled hydraulic bunks allow drivers to secure and release loads with minimal effort, eliminating the need for traditional chains and straps. The system also features automatic post-tensioning and CAN bus monitoring, helping maintain load stability while providing real-time alerts about potential issues. Additionally, its height adjustable stakes can be lowered when the vehicle is empty, reducing aerodynamic drag and improving fuel efficiency. By combining smart automation with practical design, the Com90 enhances driver safety, protects cargo, and streamlines transport operations. The Pavelli Strong trailer combines durability, versatility, and smart engineering to simplify heavy-duty transport tasks. Featuring an extendable low-bed platform of up to 3 meters and a fully hot-dip galvanized frame, it is built for strength and longevity. Remote-controlled hydraulic ramps and winches make loading and unloading equipment easier and more efficient. Additional features such as a self-steering third axle, a liftable front axle, and advanced EBS/ABS braking systems enhance stability, maneuverability, and safety. Designed for demanding work environments, the Pavelli Strong trailer not only handles heavy loads effectively but also improves overall operational convenience. The Fliegl SZS SDS Ultra is a heavy-duty trailer designed to enhance bale transport with a combination of durability, efficiency, and practical functionality. Featuring a gross vehicle weight of 29,000 kilograms and a spacious deck measuring 13,000 millimeters by 2,480 millimeters, it offers substantial carrying capacity for demanding agricultural operations. Its 385/65R, 22.5 tires and advanced air suspension system provide smooth handling while helping to reduce fuel consumption. The trailer also includes smart loading solutions, such as a hydraulically folding side structure that secures both round and square bales with ease. A full-width tarpaulin with integrated straps helps prevent material loss during transport. Built with real-world productivity in mind, the SZS SDS Ultra delivers dependable performance for everyday hauling tasks. The DAF digital vision system replaces conventional side mirrors with high-resolution cameras and interior displays, providing clearer visibility around the vehicle, particularly during lane changes, overtaking, and tight maneuvers. By improving aerodynamics, the system also contributes to lower fuel consumption. Features such as heated camera lenses, automatic image adjustment when turning, and enhanced protection in adverse weather conditions improve reliability and safety. Overall, it helps drivers stay more aware of their surroundings while reducing fatigue and increasing confidence on the road. The Globe 5510 hydraulic flip axle trailer is engineered for demanding heavy haul applications, combining strength, durability, and operational efficiency. Constructed with high-strength T1 steel rated at 100,000 psi yield strength, its side rails and main beams are designed to withstand heavy loads and long-term use. One of its most notable features is the patented hydraulic flip axle system, which allows operators to quickly change axle configurations, reducing downtime and increasing versatility. Many models feature a low 22-inch deck height for easier loading, while 12-inch crossmember spacing enhances structural durability. Built for reliability and productivity, this trailer is designed to keep heavy transport operations running smoothly and efficiently. The Right Track System's Truck Track Conversion is an innovative solution designed to dramatically improve vehicle performance in challenging off-road environments. Compatible with virtually any truck or trailer, these rebuildable rubber track systems provide 500% to 700% more traction and flotation than conventional tires. The 30-inch wide tracks can be customized with heavy-duty grousers, ice cleats, or interchangeable tread patterns to handle mud, snow, sand, and other demanding terrains. One of the system's greatest advantages is its practicality. Installation or conversion can be completed in about an hour in the field. This quick transformation helps operators reduce downtime, improve mobility, and keep equipment working efficiently in conditions where standard tires may struggle. The BE-Combi 3500 Plus system is an innovative transport solution that maximizes carrying capacity while maintaining ease of operation. By transforming a 3,500 kg light commercial vehicle into a tractor unit, paired with a 3,500 kg trailer, it achieves a combined gross weight of 7,000 kg while remaining accessible to drivers with a standard BE license. Offering a payload capacity of approximately 2,500 to 3,000 kilograms, it combines the maneuverability of a van with the efficiency of a compact tractor-trailer setup. Its intelligent braking system converts hydraulic brake pressure into air brake pressure, enhancing safety and control. With a brand-independent design, the BE-Combi 3500 Plus delivers a flexible, practical, and cost-effective transport solution. The BlackVue truck dash cam combines durability and advanced technology to deliver reliable monitoring for commercial vehicles. Equipped with front and rear Sony Starburst sensors, it records crisp Full HD 1080p video, with the front camera capturing footage at up to 60 frames per second through a wide 139-degree lens. Its excellent low-light performance ensures clear recordings during both day and night. Designed specifically for trucks, the rear camera is waterproof and externally mounted for enhanced coverage. Built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and LTE cloud connectivity allow remote access, tracking, and video review. Additionally, parking mode provides continuous surveillance when the vehicle is unattended, offering added security and peace of mind. The highway Hammocks truck Snoozer is a practical driver-focused innovation that turns a standard day cab into a quick and comfortable resting space. Designed by a former truck driver, it installs across the cab door tops in under 10 seconds, creating a full-length hammock that can support up to 187 kilograms. Made from durable synthetic canvas, it is built for repeated use and easy setup in demanding conditions. This simple yet effective design gives drivers a much-needed alternative to sleeping in cramped seats, improving rest quality during long hauls. Overall, it is a smart, sturdy, and highly practical solution for road fatigue. The SAF Holland Tire Pilot Plus is an intelligent tire pressure management system designed to keep trailer tires consistently at optimal pressure without manual intervention. It automatically inflates underinflated tires and releases excess pressure from overinflated ones, ensuring balanced pressure across all wheels. This helps improve fuel efficiency, reduce tire wear, and enhance overall road safety. Built with durable stainless steel braided hoses and easy knurled hand-tight fittings, the system is engineered for reliability and simple installation. A smart warning light activates only when there is a genuine pressure drop of around 20 psi, minimizing false alerts for drivers. With retrofit compatibility and a projected return on investment in under a year for fleets, it delivers both efficiency and long-term cost savings. ExTe specialized trailers are designed for heavy hauling with a strong focus on practicality, strength, and real-world job site needs. Their lineup includes models capable of carrying up to 170,000 pounds concentrated in 10 feet, within a 13-axle configuration, along with low-deck mini-deck options featuring deck heights as low as 14 inches. Many trailers offer extendable decks ranging from 28 to 49 feet, providing added flexibility for oversized loads. Hydraulic detachable goosenecks and rugged T180,000 psi steel frames ensure durability and easy operation under extreme conditions. Whether transporting wind turbine blades or 100,000-pound machinery, ExTe specialized trailers deliver safer handling, improved efficiency, and dependable performance for demanding heavy transport tasks.